Namaskar, welcome back to one more video interview of one of our hair transplant patients. I would be very pleased to introduce a patient who has flown all the way from Germany, from Hanover, Germany to Patna to get his hair transplant from us. Meet Mr. Shyam. He got his hair transplant done from us 2 days back and to tell about his experiences about hair transplant. So welcome Mr. Shyam.
Thank you, sir.
So I want to ask you one thing. What made you think of hair transplant?
My hair fall.
Okay, hair fall. So how old are you, sir?
Now I'm 34, sir.
So 34, and how long you have been losing hair?
I'm suffering since 3 to 4 years.
Okay.
Then I noticed my hair fall, it's past 3 to 4 years.
Okay.
I think it was before also.
You are an NRI and you are in Germany. For how many years, sir?
I'm there since 2016.
And you, by profession, you are working as a?
I'm working in a medical field.
Nice to know you. So 8 years in Germany. Which city?
I'm in Hanover.
Hanover. And you belong to which part of India?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
And from Andhra to Hanover, and from Hanover to Bihar.
For the sake of transplant.
So you found me on internet, you connected with us. So what made you trust us?
The thing is, when one of my friends suggested your clinic, then when I spoke to you, you personally contacted us. Which is very rare. Doctor connected with the patient directly and explaining all the procedure. When I'm talking with you, I have some trust towards you, and the way how you explained, the confidence what you have given to me helped me to.
Okay. So you decided, I think within 15 days.
Yeah.
For the surgery.
Yeah.
That's a very short time, and you are spending almost the same amount of money to fly from there, from Hanover, as you have spent in the surgery. Almost.
Yes, sir. I came only for the sake of surgery.
So definitely, India is a low-cost country where you can get a low-cost surgery. But I think quality also matters and trust matters most, because you are flying from such a far-off distance, almost 6,000-7,000 kilometers, to a small place compared to from the way you are flying, and you could have gone anywhere in the world. Still, you found a person whom you can trust and you can fly to him and to get the surgery. So did we fulfill our trust? Your trust?
Yes, sir. I have some hope towards your work and the way how you explained. I believed it, and I felt the same during my treatment also. Even the team is also very helpful.
There's a very, you can say you come in India or in say Turkey, which is a hub of hair transplant. We have found that doctors are very less involved in the surgery. So were we involved in the surgery? Where I was involved in the surgery? Yes. Do you find that the way the procedure was done, it was satisfactory?
Yes, sir. I know some of my friends who got treated in Turkey also with bad results. There might be good results and negative results also, but I personally have trust towards your work and the way how you explain. I just felt confident towards your work. That's why the reason why I offered you.
Nice. So how is Germany? It's a great country. So you plan to settle there in future?
Previously not, but now I have to.
Okay, you have to. And so just one more question. So during the hair transplant procedure, how much pain was there? That is one of the most common questions which is asked.
Before my surgery?
Or during the surgery?
During the surgery I did not feel, sir. Only thing is only anesthesia thing what I felt. That was also very less.
And after the surgery, like today, day before yesterday? No, you did not feel anything.
Anesthesia also you gave very slowly. I'm very happy with the treatment.
We also took from the beard.
Yeah.
So we took below the jawline. So that hair was evenly mixed in the pre-existing hair which you have. So what do you think a good hair transplant surgery should have? What do you think are the ingredients of a good hair transplant surgery? Have you ever thought or have you done some research on hair transplant?
I think most of the people used to do this Google search, but I don't believe that. I believe completely on the doctor and the team. Knowing some information is good, but completely relying on that is, in my opinion, everyone has different opinions. In my opinion, I don't believe that. I personally believed your thing, and what you said, I said, yes, I accepted the thing. And the way how you explained is very reasonable. You did not give me any false hopes or something like that. You showed me practically the way, the hairline and the treatment method.
So you stayed with us?
Yes, sir.
So
accommodation
you found the hospitality okay?
Very good, sir. Very good. I don't know the names of the people, but it's simply like home thing. I think India is for hospitality, but
we are trying to incorporate the patient for outstation patients. We are trying to ensure they don't have to spend extra on hotels, and they just need to spend on a flight cost, and that's all. Everything is included after that. So did you find the price reasonable?
Yes, sir. Very reasonable.
Considering that how much is the price price variation in India and how difficult it is to choose a right person with the right price.
You can also charge much, but you are not the person doing that. That's what made me to come towards you more than that. And also you did my procedure with frequent breaks without any stress for me.
So we did a surgery, we did just around 3100 grafts, but we spread it out over 2 days, 2.5. So that ensured his comfort. He has a proper sleep. His body is not stretched. We did not go for anesthesia overdosing, and the wound healing was proper. So he is totally comfortable. He has his flight tomorrow. So he is totally comfortable. It is not a rushed up job which we do, and we do it at a reasonable price, which is affordable to everyone's pocket, whether he is from India or from outside India. We don't charge differently for them, even if they are premium patients or coming from outside, even if they can pay. We charge the same price. Even our previous patient was from outside India. We charge the same price which we charged him. So that is our principle. I think the fairness has to be there irrespective, and our patients are our guests, so we should treat them well. So there may be some hiccups up and down, but I try to solve everything which we can do at our level. We are still small, but I believe that doing a good, excellent surgery is most important rather than looking after the advertisements and big things. We are just a single clinic where we do honest work. So how many surgeries did we perform on one day? We are performing just one surgery.
Yeah.
So we try to do limited number of surgeries in a month. We don't try to run a very large factory assembly line clinic, so that the job is not rushed and the patient is not pressed and squeezed, and the staff is also not stressed out to complete the work on that day itself.
Yes, sir.
Any suggestions, any opinion which you have felt, anything which you have felt regarding how we have done the work?
What you said, the staff is also not felt any stressed when they are doing the treatment. It's like completely passionate. I felt that the way how they treated me or how they work, and it was relaxed.
We try to instill the same values which we have, that if the patient is happy, everyone will be happy.
Personally, I'm happy, sir. I'm satisfied with the treatment and also hospitality. The doctor personally received me from airport, and I have a homely food. I would like to thank his parents also for good food.
How do you say goodbye in German?
Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen.
And how do you say hello?
Is hello with E. Instead of H-E-L-L-O, we'll say H-A-L-L-O.
Okay. And Germans are very passionate people. They are very into their work.
Yeah, because there are no serials like us in India, so they have no other work than doing.
So you like German culture? What?
It's also like an Indian village culture. They follow the same thing. Like I'm also from a small village.
Mm-hmm.
How it was in village, German culture is also that. People think that it's very advanced, but not like that. They used to eat before 8 o'clock and children used to sleep. Yeah, like our village.
Yeah, that's good. That's why they're doing excellent in their life. And I think they have also a very deep understanding of our Vedic system. I think they have read our Vedas.
Yeah. Even the flight, Lufthansa is a German flight, which is completely, they give a lot of respect for Ayurveda and also for
so they know more about, I think, our way than we Indians do. At least the new generation Indians do.
That I'm not
sure. They are reading a lot about that.
They respect a lot.
Right. Yeah. And it's an advanced country. It's a very peaceful country.
I would like to thank Sir and also team for.
You can name them.
Okay. Yeah. Because there's Purushottam ji and also Kajal and also Pradeep ji and Dilip
and Manoj ji, the one who is taking care at your room.
Yeah. Yes. They are really like a family for me right now, because it was 2 days. I never felt as if they are a staff or something like that.
We have a big family. We stay in house. We try to do work in house, and we try to give the best result. We are not in hurry. So I want to just introduce that he is coming from a very small place, and he has grown from there.
Yeah.
Reached a very big place in Germany, and is trying to do his best. And I just want to wish Shyam for all the hard work he has done in Germany for his career, and we wish him best of luck for his future.
I personally suggest, if you are seeking for hair transplant, just approach once and then you will come to know. Dr. Abhinav sir not only treated me, he guided me as a brother, which supported me like internally I felt very supportive.
Thank you viewers. We'll wish to meet you again.